The woman said, "I'm going to take a shower," which actually means I'm telling you these three things. On the wonderful stage of interpersonal communication, words are like magical notes, jumping on the strings of emotions, playing various happy or gentle music. Every word is like a mysterious little seed, taking root and sprouting suddenly, quietly affecting the direction of the relationship between two people. Hey, when a woman gently spits out the seemingly ordinary words, "I'm going to take a shower," it's like opening a mysterious door to her inner world. Men, don't be silly and take it lightly. There may be three very important things being said quietly. 1. Small signal of needing space. In this bustling and somewhat messy world, the relationship between the sexes is like two streams that are sometimes entangled. There are times when they are running together in a lively manner, and there are also times when they need to flow quietly by themselves. When a woman says this, she is most likely looking for a quiet little corner of her own, temporarily leaving the lively or dull communication scene. Just like a tired bird returning to the nest, it hurriedly finds a quiet place to comb its feathers. At this time, she may be dizzy and exhausted by the trivial things in life, so she wants to take advantage of the bath time to let the warm water flow gently through her body, like a pair of gentle little hands, washing away the fatigue of the day and those messy thoughts. Or maybe when you are dating, you feel a little invisible pressure, and you need this short period of separation to reorganize your mood and adjust your inner rhythm. She is not alienating you, but like a little flower longing for nectar, she longs to find her true self in this moment of tranquility. After she finishes taking a shower, she will be like a beautiful flower that blooms again and will face you again in a better state. The bathroom door is like an invisible but meaningful barrier that separates the noise outside from the inner peace. In this small space, a woman can relax her body and mind and let her thoughts fly freely. She can think about the things in her life quietly, recall the experience of the day, or simply enjoy this rare time alone. Men must understand the tricks here. Don't keep asking or disturbing her at this time. Be smart and give her this much-needed space. Just like guarding a budding flower, give it enough sunshine and rain, and let it bloom quietly in its own time. 2. Intimate hints. Although the phrase, "I'm going to take a shower," looks ordinary on the surface, it may contain different deep affection in the delicate situation of sexual communication. When a woman becomes more and more intimate with you during the time you spend together, this phrase may become a special and implicit emotional signal. She is silently conveying a deep trust to you, a trust that she can share her more private moments with you without worrying about it. It's like gently saying that I don't need to hide or pretend in front of you anymore. Even in such a daily moment as taking a shower, I can tell you openly. This trust is like a tender and vital little seed, quietly taking root and sprouting in the emotional world between the two. It means that the woman fully accepts and recognizes you, and she believes that you are the one who can really walk into every corner of her life and share her joys, sorrows, anger and happiness. At this time, men must capture this precious and easy-to-slip signal as keenly as a hunter discovers the traces of prey. Cherish this hard-won trust and respond to her with more sincere and warm care. Let this seed of trust grow healthily under the nourishment of love and become a solid foundation for a more stable relationship between the two. 3. The little secret of expecting care. A woman's heart is like super delicate silk, soft and sensitive. When she says, "I'm going to take a shower," there may be a little emotion behind her that she secretly expects you to care about her. During the time after she enters the bathroom, she may be silently expecting you to give her a warm greeting like a little sun after she takes a shower, or a small caring gesture. Maybe it's a cup of steaming, fragrant tea, quietly placed where she can reach it, so that the warm tea fragrance can drive away the moisture on her body and warm her heart. Maybe it's a soft and fluffy towel, gently handed to her, so that she can feel your meticulous care, or just a simple but affectionate, "Have you finished washing?" These seemingly small and inconspicuous acts of care are like a gentle spring breeze, gently brushing across the lake of a woman's heart, creating circles of warm and happy ripples. Because in the eyes of women, these concerns are not just material gifts, but also a deep emotional sustenance, a silent desire for love. It means that you care about her all the time and are sensitive to her every little emotion and need. If a man can cleverly understand this implicit and affectionate hint and give her just the right amount of care at the right time, it will definitely make a woman deeply feel your sincere love and meticulous care like a spring breeze and rain. In this way, the relationship between the two will become deeper and deeper in this beautiful atmosphere of mutual care and love, blooming a more splendid flower of love, becoming more beautiful and moving forever. Relationship between the sexes is like a wonderful adventure full of mystery and surprises, subtle and complex. Every word a woman says is like a pearl hidden in the deep sea, with endless meaning and treasures. When a man hears the words, "I'm going to take a shower," he must think carefully and understand the three important things in it. Only in this way can we walk steadily on this emotional road full of challenges and opportunities, go further and further, and write a beautiful love chapter for the two of us.